I remember back when we were still dating, he would stalk me to check what I'm doing, who I'm with, just for him to make sure that I'm not with boys or other people. That's another way you can tell that this person, he wants to take control of your life. My name is Valentia Namauruma, and I'm from South Africa in Limpopo. It was back in 2017 on the 9th of April. It was a Sunday. I was coming back from church. It was around 12:30 during the day. I was walking on the street going back to my apartment, and all of a sudden, somebody just ran into me and poured an acid on my face. After 4 to 5 months, there is a family that came to my house when I was back at home to come to say that we are here to apologize on behalf of our son on what he did, only to find out that the person who did whatever it was my ex-boyfriend. He said his reasons was because I didn't want to get back with him. He felt that no one should be with me. After 2 days, we got a call from the police to say that the person who's the suspect has been arrested. We're told to come to Pretoria. We went there. Surprisingly, I dropped the charges. It's like I was looking at a monster when I was looking at myself. I spent a year inside doors at home, not going out, because I was afraid what people are going to say about how I look. I tried my best to accept, and finally I came to a conclusion that this is me, nothing has changed, I'm still beautiful. I joined Avon in 2014 and I was a representative. Then I got promoted after that. After my incident, I went back to work at Avon, which it was a great experience for me because I could earn my money, I could pay for some of the things which I wanted to do when I was at school. Avon gave me the independence of freedom to my money that I can do whatever I want to do. I can start saving for myself and build up a life for myself. Don't consider staying in an abusive relationship. You might end up dead or hurt or something, so it's better to end the relationship while you still can. Move on with your life and don't look back. My plans for the future is I was thinking of opening an organization where we help young ladies who are going through what I went through back at home. I feel like if I start at home to help young other ladies who are facing what I went through, it will be a great impact in the community.